Here's how to stop WhatsApp from showing the media in your gallery. As you can see right here, I have WhatsApp images and WhatsApp video. If you don't want WhatsApp to always show your received media on your gallery, this is what you have to do. Go to your WhatsApp and go to the settings. Now go to chats. You're going to see media visibility, show newly downloaded media in your gallery. So you have to turn it off. From now on, you're not going to see any media on your gallery when someone sends you a picture or a video. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.